Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Pybron. And today I'm going to continue my regular expression part 3. In the regular expression part 2, we had started about matchers, or how the matchers is going to work. And we had already discussed about the 5 matchers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess, right? So today we have to discuss about the 6 to 10. So my agenda will be to discuss about the 6 to 10, how the 6 to 10 is going to work. Okay, so let's discuss about the sixth one. Okay, so whoever not watch my previous part, then I'm really requesting to go with that videos, so it will be helpful to understand the regular expression. So let's, without wasting our time, let's discuss about the topic. So how the asterisk is going to work, just try to understand. Okay, so how the ashtray is going to work. So ashtray will work in such a manner, it will work in this manner, that any word, any matches in this manner, like or you can say, just a minute, it will return the list of matches of list of matches, followed by 1x, followed by 1x or 0. Okay, just try to understand this line. Okay, so in this sentence, in this text sentence, you can see my name is Amia Mimi. Just I wrote like this, so that you can see in this sentence we have two Ami, and after Ami there is one I, and in that Ami, after that Ami, there is nothing. Okay, so it will return both Ami. If we are putting this condition astray, then it will return both Ami. Let me execute this code, and you can see, yes, there is at least one matches. And what are those matches? That if you want to see, then print x, just put print x and run this code, run this one. Okay, you can see two me we have. Okay, so this is the one matchers. Sixth one, it is sixth one, right? Seventh one is plus matchers. How the plus matchers is going to work, just try to understand the seventh matchers. Okay, so seventh matchers, just put me this condition, and instead of this, what I can do, this I'm going to write here seventh, and instead of asterisk I can put here plus. And what I'm trying to do, just try to understand. So plus, I'm just giving here plus. So what it will do, me though it will check me, and after me it should be, there should be one x, there should be one or more x, means at least one x should be there, means me plus one x, then it will return that list. If it is not there, then it will return null. Okay, previous code also got executed, so let me put this thing over the comment. Okay, so now it's fine. Now if I'm trying to execute this code, so no matches. Why? Because with me there is no x. So let's suppose I'm keeping here x, and now if I'm trying to execute, now you can say me x, and yes, there is at least one matches. Means ashtray will work just reverse. Means in ashtray, if with the me, whether me should be there, whether x or not, it doesn't care about that. But in case of plus, with the me, there should be one x, then only it will replicate there, right? Hope you understood this asterisk and this plus symbol. Now I'm going to discuss about the last one. This is the curly braces. How the curly braces is going to work, just try to understand this thing. And this is the ninth one, I guess, ninth one, and this is the curly braces. Okay, so in curly braces, what it will do, so let me do one thing. Just copy this line of code, so it will be easy, since I should not type all those things. Control C and Control V. I'll keep this thing over the comment. Cool, right? And okay, so what it will do, so here what I'm trying to do, I'm keeping here me and curly braces 2. I'm keeping here 2, right? And now just a minute, and text and print x, yes. So what it will do, basically, let me change this comment. It will check the string if the string contains a followed by exactly one character. Okay, sorry, in our case, okay, we are going to discuss about the me, right? Followed by contains a me, and followed by exactly followed by exactly two one character. Okay, so let me execute this code and let's see what is going to be happen. Yes, so there is no matching, means me with me followed by one character two times, so that there is no matching in this case, right? There is no matching like this. So I can say after m there is no word like this key where we can say like this, right? So that's a matter. And if you want to see, if you really want to see these things, then what we can do, just a minute. Mm, Here we can keep it here, instead of one we can keep it here e. And now if we try to execute, yes, we can see after me e is two time, right? So there is a one matching here, means after m there should be 2e, then it will return that one. Hope you like this. Yes, that's all about this matches function. In the next video I'll come with the regular expression, another part. And if it is fulfill your criteria, it's a very basic thing for the regular expression. It's not a hard and fast rule, but yes, it is very necessary to know. Okay, if you really like this video, then please do subscribe our channel so that you will not miss our update. Thank you for watching this. Thank you, guys.